Hello everyone and welcome to another Maths tutorial video. Now I'm going to discuss Form 4 Additional Mathematics Chapter 4 Simultaneous Equation Part 1, where I will be discussing two questions. Before I begin, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, as I will be discussing more mathematics tutorial questions in the future. Alright guys, without further delay, let's jump to the question now. Okay, in this question, as you can see here, the question asks to solve the simultaneous equation 4x plus y equals to x square plus x square plus x minus y equals to -3. Okay, I'm going to show you the solution now for how to solve this. As you can see here, 4x plus y equals to x square plus x minus y and equals to -3. They are all interrelated, guys. So we can form an equation such that 4x plus y equals to -3 and x square plus x minus y equals to -3. So I'm going to show you the step now. So 4x plus y equals to -3. We're going to write this our first equation. And x square plus x minus y equals to -3. So this will be the second equation. Okay, we have already split this simultaneous equation into two equations. So how are we going to proceed with the next step? Okay, what I'm going to do now is, using the equation 1, okay, I'm going to let y equals to -3 minus 4x. So which we can obtain from here, 4x plus y equals to -3. So to get y, so you just move the 4x from the right hand side to from the left hand side to the right hand side, which will get y equals to -3 minus 4x. So this will be your third equation. Let us proceed. So what you're going to do now is, we're going to substitute this equation 3 into the second equation. Okay, let us continue. So from here, x square plus x minus, since this is a y, so we can substitute this y in terms of x. So -3 minus 4x, close bracket, equals to -3. So since there is a negative in front, so you can expand in. Proceed to the next step. So from here you get x square plus x plus 3 plus 4x equals to -3. So x square, so there's no other x square over here, so x square remains the same. X plus 4x, you get 5x. So positive 3. So from here you have -3 at the right hand side. So what you do, you move it to the left hand side. So 3 plus 3 you get is 6. Move to the next step. So from here you get x square plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. As you can see here, you have already formed a quadratic equation. Alright guys, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to factor out this quadratic equation. So from here I get x plus 2 and a bracket x plus 3 equals to 0. And from here I will get my value x equals to -2 and x equals to -3. Alright guys, you have these two values. So once you have these two values, you can use this x value to substitute into the y separately. Into the equation 3 or any other equation you want. So how are you going to do that? So I'm going to show you now. So when x equals to -2, y equals to -3 minus 4 in a bracket -2. So -3 plus 8, what you will get is y equals to 5. So this will be your answer when your x equals to -2. Moving on, when x equals to -3, y equals to -3 minus 4 in a bracket -3. So where you get is -3 plus 12. So -3 plus 12, you will get your answer is 9. Okay guys, that's all for the working for the question number 1. Now I'm going to show you the question number 2 now. So please hold on for a moment. Okay, this is the question number 2. So in this question, they ask to solve the following simultaneous equation: x plus y over 2 equals to 1, where this linear equation involves a fraction over here. And then this is a non-linear equation, which is 3xy minus 7y equals to 2. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the step-by-step working on how to solve this problem. Okay, the first thing we need to do is, whenever you see a fraction in a linear equation, you need to eliminate this fraction. In this case, we need to times the whole equation by 2. So from here you get 2x plus y equals to 2. Okay, so 2x plus y equals to 2. So this will be your first equation. And 3xy minus 7y equals to 2. This will be your second equation, guys. Okay, moving on. So from equation 1, so from here, from this equation, what we're going to do is we're going to form expression of y in terms of x. So how we're going to form an expression y in terms of x? It's very simple, guys. So y equals to 2 minus 2x, for which we're going to form a third equation over here. Okay, so from equation 1, y equals to 2 minus 2x, this will be a third equation. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use this third equation and substitute into the equation number 2 over here. Okay, moving on to the next step. So 3x close bracket 2 minus 2x minus 7 close bracket 2 minus 2x close bracket equals to 2. Okay guys, basically what I did is I've already substituted my equation 3 into equation 2. But then if you can't see my steps clearly, no worries guys, I'm going to write it down. So 3 into 2. Okay, so moving on to the next step. So for the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to expand in the bracket. So for the 3x, in the bracket 2 minus 2x, from here you get 6x and then negative 6x squared. And then from here you get negative 14, and from here you get negative 14x equals to 2. Okay, so as I said, this will be your next step. 6x minus 6x squared minus 14 plus 14x equals to 2. Okay, you can try to solve the left hand side part of the equation. 14x plus 6x you get is 20x. So negative 14, so you can bring the 2 from the right hand side to the left hand side, which you'll get is negative 16. Okay, from here you get negative 6x squared plus 20x minus 16 equals 0. You times the whole equation by negative 1, which you'll get is 6x squared minus 20x plus 16 equals to 0. As you can see here, we have already formed a quadratic equation, but we need to further simplify it. So how are we going to simplify it, guys? Very simple. We're going to divide this whole equation by 2, which you get here now is 3x squared minus 10x plus 8 equals to 0. Okay, once you cannot further simplify this quadratic equation, then you can further to factorize this equation. So which you'll get in this form: 3x minus 4 in a bracket x minus 2 equals to 0. So where you get your x equals to 4 over 3 and x equals to 2 in this case. So from here you get x equals to 4 over 3 and x equals to 2. Alright guys, we already get these two answers. So what we need to do now is very simple. So we need to substitute this x value into equation 3 or any other equation at the above. So x equals to 4 over 3 and x equals to 2, we need to substitute back into the equation. So I'm going to show you the step now. When x equals to 4 over 3, so from here you get y equals to 2 minus 2 in a bracket 4 over 3. So from here you get, so the 2 you can further break down into 6 over 3 and then minus with the 8 over 3. So 6 over 3 minus 8 over 3 you'll get is negative 2 over 3, guys. So simultaneously for the other side, when x equals to 2, y equals to 2 minus 2 times with 2. So where you get is 2 minus 4. Therefore your answer will be y equals to negative 2, guys. Alright, okay. Alright guys, that is all for my discussion of step-by-step working and solution for this question. Any question or feedback, feel free to put in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell as well. Thank you everyone for your support guys, and I'll see you in the next video.